Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and what I have here for you today is a short video showing you the KUKA robots that are doing a calibration cycle inside the Tesla Giga Semi high volume semi factory. They call it SFNV, Semi Factory Nevada. I like to call it Giga Semi, because I think it's big enough to call it a Giga. In any event, check this out. I'll just let you watch it for a while.